Welcome back to our Spoken English channel. Today, we are going to practice
100 daily English conversations with kids. Morning routine.
These simple and natural conversations will help you speak
English confidently in your daily life with your children.
Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice every sentence aloud. So, let's get started.
Good morning. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
How are you feeling this morning?
I feel happy, fresh, and ready for the day.
It's already morning. Please wake up now.
Okay, I'm getting out of bed right away.
Did you have a nice dream last night?
Yes, I had a very nice and interesting dream.
Please make your bed before you leave your room.
Sure, I'll make my bed neatly.
Open the curtains and let the sunlight come in.
Wow, the weather looks beautiful today.
Go and brush your teeth carefully.
Okay, I will brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Don't forget to wash your face with clean water.
I won't forget. I'll wash my face now.
Please comb your hair before breakfast.
Sure, I'll comb my hair neatly.
Would you like to take a shower now?
Yes, I think a warm shower will make me feel fresh.
Please wear your clean school uniform.
Okay, I'll change into my uniform now.
Are you feeling hungry this morning?
Yes, I'm very hungry. I'd love to have breakfast.
What would you like to eat for breakfast today?
I'd like some bread, eggs, and a glass of milk.
Please sit at the table and eat your breakfast.
Everything looks so delicious. Thank you.
Eat slowly and chew your food properly.
Okay, I'll eat slowly and carefully.
Don't forget to drink your milk.
I will. Milk helps me stay healthy and strong.
Would you like some fresh fruit as well?
Yes, I'd love to have an apple after breakfast.
Have you packed all your school books?
Yes, I've already packed everything I need.
Please check your school bag one more time.
Everything is inside. I didn't forget anything.
Don't forget to take your lunchbox and water bottle.
Thank you for reminding me. They're in my bag already.
Are you completely ready to leave for school now?
Yes, I think everything is ready.
Have you put on your shoes properly?
Yes, I have. They are comfortable.
Don't forget to tie your shoelaces carefully.
Don't worry, they're tied properly now.
Did you bring your homework with you?
Yes, I finished it last night and packed it in my bag.
Have you checked your pencil case?
Yes, it has all my pens, pencils, and eraser.
Do you have your ID card with you?
Yes, I'm wearing it around my neck.
Is your school bag too heavy today?
No, it's not too heavy. I can carry it easily.
Are you excited to meet your friends today?
Yes, I can't wait to see them.
Which subject are you looking forward to today?
I'm really excited about my English class.
Please listen carefully to your teachers in every class.
I will listen carefully and follow their instructions.
Always be kind and respectful to everyone.
I promise I'll be kind to all my classmates.
Don't argue with anyone at school.
Okay, I'll stay calm and be polite.
If you don't understand something, ask your teacher.
That's a good idea. I'll ask without feeling shy.
Remember to share your things with your friends.
Yes, sharing makes everyone happy.
Eat your lunch on time.
I will eat my lunch during the break.
Drink enough water throughout the day.
Yes, I'll keep my water bottle with me.
What time will school finish today?
It will finish at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Be careful while crossing the road.
I will look both ways before crossing.
Have a wonderful day at school.
Thank you. I'll have a great day.
See you this afternoon.
See you later.
Take good care of yourself.
I will. You take care too.
Don't forget that I love you very much.
I love you too. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye and have fun learning new things.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you soon.
Have a safe journey to school.
Thank you. I'll be safe. Great job. You have completed today's 100 daily English conversations.
Practice these sentences every day.
And your spoken English will improve naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.